Alright guys, let's do a quick little overview of cup printing. Paper, plastic, or foam, doesn't matter, it's all the same. Here we've got a foam cup. We've got our mandrel made specifically for this cup. So anytime you want to print on something, you can send us a sleeve of your cups. We'll take dimensions, we'll make the mandrel, and that's all you need to do. You're going to need the F1 DC, of course. You're going to buy a tooling fixture with that, which is this aluminum here, and then the mandrel. You can slide these on and off for different sizes. There's just a little collar on the back side. You can change that out for any different size cup, no matter what the material is, and this is for friction drive. So let's put a cup in there. You've got your ink in the screen, you've got your squeegee, your flood bar. So I'll show you a few different angles here. This is just going to be a print. Press the foot pedal. Transferring the ink through the screen. Got a little leftover from washing the bottom of the screen, but that will typically clear up. You can run over some paper towels over it, so I'll do that real quick. This is actually a good thing to see. After you've washed the bottom of the screen, it can get a little gunked up, so you'll see there it's a pretty clean print. So let's go right to the cup now. Definitely see it lightened up a little bit, so that's just in your setup. You're going to see that. So you're gonna print on paper a bunch of times, maybe 4 or 5, and eventually that'll clear up. But let's take a look from the bottom. Clearing up even more. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to print on cups. The machine, obviously being in the correct setup, is important, but you can print really as fast as an operator can load and unload. So we've seen 600, 700, 800, all the way up to 1,000 parts an hour on this machine. So your screen, you're obviously going to have mesh. This yellow is the mesh, the green is the emulsion. Your image is going to be burned into your emulsion on a special emulsion, I guess you can call it, dryer if you're not familiar with the terminology. But basically it's an exposure unit, and that's what's burning your image into your screen. So if I wanted to go, say, farther this way, I've got to stop here, and that will allow me to flood past the image. And then we can keep the squeegee set this way, because that's going to be in this direction to stop at the end of your image this way. So I accidentally just tapped the foot pedal. It's still going to print. But now you can see, like I said, the bottom cleared up and you got a nice sharp image. And that's cup printing. If you guys want to see any other videos of printing on tumblers or glass, let me know and we can work on those too.